Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add Indeed resume to your account. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Indeed app. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, in order to add your Indeed resume, you need to go to your profile section. So here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. And from the given options, choose the profile option. Tap on it. Now over here, you can see the CV section. Here, I've already uploaded one CV document before. This was an external document file. If you want to add a customizable Indeed resume, then what you can do is, first of all, you need to remove this file. Here you can see the three dots icon. Tap on it. If you directly want to convert your existing file to Indeed CV, you can choose the option Convert to Indeed CV, or else you can delete this file first. Tap on Delete. Select Delete again. We're gonna add the customizable Indeed resume from the scratch. So select the option Build an Indeed CV. Now it will ask you several questions to include in your Indeed resume. So you can go through the process and fill up your informations. Tap on Continue. Add your phone number. Enter your location over here. Add your education information. You can fill up all the informations according to your preference. You can add your skills over here. You can select it from this given list. Tap on Continue. And finally, you can review your CV. If everything looks good, you can tap on Continue. And there you go. You've successfully added an Indeed resume to your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.